With all the drama surrounding the US presidential election, I think it's high time that we switch gears and talk about some Kardashian drama. Oh wait, what was that? Oh, this is a story about the election? Crap. Of course we can't stop talking about this election stuff. It is big news. But I wasn't lying when I mentioned the Kardashians. Turns out that they've been roped into all of this voting drama, and Khloe Kardashian is clapping back. Let me tell you about it. What's going on, guys? I'm your host, Bree Room, and welcome back to I.O. Khloe Kardashian is slamming her family's critics, but before we get into that story, let me first remind you to stay tuned until the end for some bonus content. Now let's get started. If you've been following the events of the US presidential election, then you know how close the votes are. Already, the United States has seen record-breaking voter turnout, with the number of early voting coming in at a record-breaking 93 million. As of right now, as I'm filming, no winner has been decided, as many states are either counting Nevada or are still too close to call. The battleground states are really where people have their eyes on, as these states are flipping between red and blue, making people really hold their breath, hoping for their preferred candidates to come out on top. More young people have voted this year too, and many people think that this is due to social media influence and celebrities. Among the most influential come the Kardashians, whom many people look up to, especially during these uncertain and stressful times. Now, there have been a select few people who have started coming for the Kardashians for not having spoken out about voting and encouraging their fan base to go out and vote, even though that's not exactly true. Before I carry on, I'd like to ask you guys to consider leaving a like on this video. It really helps us out, and we would really love your support, so go like the video. Woo. Now, with these people sort of trolling the Kardashian clan, calling them out on not pushing the vote, one of them, that being Khloe Kardashian, has come forward to call out these people because what they're accusing the celebrity family of is simply untrue. One person tweeted out saying, quote, "Not being funny, but your family are huge influencers, and I haven't seen any of you try to push the vote." To which Khloe responded with, quote, "My family and I have encouraged the importance of voting, registering to vote, and using your platforms. We have been posting for weeks and weeks where people can register, where people can vote, and we have made it super simplistic and easy. Please be fully informed before you make untrue claims," end quote. Khloe and her family have been encouraging their followers to vote, to register to vote, and have encouraged them to find resources to help them with their individual voting processes. Khloe herself has been sharing things about voting since October, whether it be by posting that she's voted, or posting voting information to her Instagram, or even the fact that she's done a skit on The Ellen Show promoting voting, and encouraging those eligible to vote. But she isn't the only Kar Jenner who's shown voting support. Her sister Kylie has also encouraged her fans to vote, appealing to younger audiences, and sisters Kourtney and Kim have also posted to their social media about the election. Kourtney has shared that she's exercised her right to vote by posting with her "I voted" sticker, among other shows of election support, and Kim, who's already been quite involved with law and politics, has also shared a number of election-based information to her fans as well. Kim actually came under fire recently for posting a photo to her Instagram where she said she voted, but was wearing a red shirt, prompting people to think that she voted for Donald Trump. Kim and Donald have worked together in the past, mainly for Kim's prison reform projects, and as Kanye has shown support for Trump as well, some of her followers assume that she voted for the Republican candidate. She later took down the post and re-uploaded it in black and white, perhaps to make a more unbiased post. The Kardashians and their tie to Kanye West and his presidential campaign may have prompted them to voice their opinions on the election less, as to not seem biased towards their family member, even though I highly doubt they voted for him, honestly. But they still tried to do their part and encourage people to get out there and vote. But what do you guys think? Do you think that the Kardashians did enough to encourage their followers to vote, or should they have done more? Are the people who called them out just reaching, or do they have a point? Let me know down in the comments. But speaking of comments, let's read out some of yours from our video. You won't believe how many people voted for Kanye West. Let's keep it topical. Good and Glam says, "I'm honestly sure his own wife didn't vote for him." Yeah, I don't think any of the Kardashians voted for him. I mean, they probably said, "Oh yeah, like I voted for you, don't worry Kanye," but in reality, they totally didn't, and they were like, "So what do we do about this situation here?" Imagine if he won. What would the Kardashians do? Like, they'd be in serious trouble. Corey with a Y no E says he probably should have offered free Yeezys for every vote. You, my friend, just gave him his entire campaign strategy for 2024. I'm pretty sure, this probably crossed his mind at some point. So you never know, he might try this again later on, but that's only if he gets the paperwork in on time. which he probably won't. Taylor Gill says, hot take, the Nevada memes are worth the wait. I mean, they are hilarious. They are so funny. Twitter is just popping off with these memes. But you know what's even better than the memes? Actually knowing who won the election. I want to know. Eric Robbins says, wait, you're telling me Kanye West, a college dropout, didn't bother to do the homework / paperwork to become president? Shocking. I know, incredibly shocking. I really thought he was gonna do all the research, all the homework, he was gonna really win the presidency. I'm kidding. No one thought that was gonna happen. I mean, we're all surprised that he got as many votes as he did, but just wait till 2024. I feel like something weird's gonna happen. Thanks for all your comments and for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed the video, why not subscribe to the channel for more IO news? And while you're at it, turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new video. That's it for me, but until next time, stay safe, stay hydrated, and have a good rest of your weekend. TTFN, my dudes.